Shug, we're out of powdered sugar.
Dad, we can make our own.
Really? Let's do it. Alrighty folks, it is real easy to make your own powdered sugar. For every cup of sugar, you need a tablespoon of cornstarch. And you mix it in a blender and just mix it on high. And we're getting ready to make some right now. Okay, you take 1 cup of sugar, put in your blender, and then you take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, put in there. Then, like I said, high speed, and we're going to put it on blend, puree. Alrighty folks, now this here's after 30 seconds. Just use your high speed in your blender and you can see we got powdered sugar. Alrighty, I'd like to thank you all for watching. You all have a great week and we'll be seeing you soon. Actually, I'm going to talk with you in just a minute here. Hello folks, we just got done making the powdered sugar. Just going to tell you a few things real quick. We're still doing homesteading videos. It's just the weather's colder and everything out. Right now we're doing mostly feeding. And but through December here, we'll probably be having a few more cooking videos. We're going to try to be having some more candy and cookies and treats like that there. We're not doing as many as what we did last year. Just with the price of stuff and everything and the way work is. Carolyn's going to be having more canning videos. We're going to be talking more, getting ready for the garden and everything coming up this spring. And more home interior stuff we're going to be working on. House projects. Stuff Carolyn would like for me to get done. Stuff I promised Carolyn I'd get done. Still haven't got done yet. And but no, just letting you know, we're not getting away from homesteading or anything. It's just right now, mostly what we're doing is feeding the animals and everything, and looking after them. This time of year here right now, it's mud outside. Then it'll get cold at nighttime and freeze, and then you've got a sloppy mess. Little Dixie over here trying to make me laugh, I believe. But no, today's Monday. Hope y'all have a great week. Lord willing, we'll see you Wednesday. And y'all take care. Stay safe. And still, whenever you're out, if you got a little bit extra money, if you can, food and water. You can stock up a little bit more on that. Like I said, I know money don't go as far anymore. It goes pretty fast out of your wallet anymore. But everybody take care. Thank you all for watching. We'll be seeing you soon.